नमस्कार, सलाम, सत श्री अकाल एंड अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग। एंजल्स की हिस्ट्री की क्लास में एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है। और आज हम बात करेंगे एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी। बट बिफोर दैट वी शैल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट all the Europeans who came to India and how they came. So we shall be starting with the Portuguese, the first one who came to India first. See, it was the industrial revolution and Europe created the need to look for the new markets. They needed new markets, and for this they had to look towards east. They have to find a new sea route towards India and the east. And when they started traveling towards the east, finding a new way towards the east, they found Cape of Good Hope first. And here goes that story. देखिए, I have already talked about it. First, when they were searching for, they reached the West Indies. And this time, when they were searching for the east, for the new route, they first came here, Cape of Good Hope. And from here, then they reached here, Calicut. This was the place where on May 19, 1498, Vasco da Gama, one of the royal navigators, found a new sea route to India and reached the famous port of Calicut on the Malabar coast. In the Malabar region, the Portuguese established their first factory in 1500 at Calicut. Straightway after 2 years, they reached here in 1498, and after 2 years, they established their first factory. And this was the place. So, after 2 years, they were able to establish the first factory. And then, of course, there was a competition among the others. Let's talk about them. I'll take you again to the map. In the other regions of Malabar coast, factories were established at Cochin, Kannur, Chaliam, Rachol. In the northwest, Kembe was the main port on the route from Calicut. Besides Cambay, the Portuguese also established their factories at Diu Basin, Surat, Daman and Bhavnagar. The Portuguese also tried to establish commercial contacts with Bengal. In this direction was made at Chittagong, the chief port of Bengal during this period. The other centers were Hooghly and Bendain. The chief aim of Portuguese in discovering the sea route connecting the coast from Portuguese was to collect spices directly from the places of the production. Pepper became the necessary ingredients in the European food. The Europeans earlier did not prefer spices, but now it was all changing. Demand for pepper went on increasing day by day, and Europe was finding great taste in Indian spices. They found great taste besides ginger, cinnamon, cardamom and several exotic herbs from our side. So this had a great market in the Europe. यूरोपियंस ने पहली बार भारत के मसाले टेस्ट किए थे और उनको ये मसाले इतने अच्छे लगे कि कीमतें दिन पे दिन बढ़ती जा रही थी। और ऐसा कहा जाता है उन दिनों में कि अगर एक बार एक जहाज भारत में आ जाता और मसाले भर के ले जाता तो एक ही ट्रिप में इतना मुनाफा हो जाता था कि अगली 7 पीढ़ियां बैठकर खा सकती थी। इतनी कीमतें बढ़ा करके ये मसाले वहां पर बेचे जाते थे और इसीलिए एक होड़ लग गई। इसके अलावा याद कीजिए वो मसलिन, वो चीट्स जो फेमस थी, अब यूरोप में पहुंचने लगा वो कपड़ा, तो उसके लिए देयर वाज ग्रेट डिमांड एंड अ फ्यू एनिमल्स लाइक एलिफेंट्स फाउंड देयर वे टू पोर्तुगीज। भारत के हाथी समुद्री जहाज में बैठकर पहुंच गए पुर्तगाल, और जैसे ही पुर्तगालियों को ये सब करते देखा तो होड़ लग गई। डच आ गए, इंग्लिश आ गए, फ्रेंच आ गए, और इन चारों में एक जबरदस्त होड़ यहां पर स्टार्ट हो गई। डच यहां पर पहुंचे 1602 में। They established factories in Gujarat. I'll take you again on the map, on the Coromandel coast, and also in Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, entering deep into the interior of the lower Gangetic Valley. तो पहली बार ऐसा हुआ कि डच लोग केवल समुद्र के किनारे तक नहीं रुके, बल्कि वो अंदर तक गंगा के मैदान को खगालने लगे और यहां से मसाले ले जाते थे पहले यहां, और यहां से समुद्र में के रास्ते ले जाते थे यूरोप में। इस तरह से द इंपोर्टेड फैक्ट्रीज ऑफ द डच इन इंडिया वर मसूलीपट्टनम, पुलिकेट। अब मैं आपको उधर ले चलता हूं, सूरत, बिम्बलीपट्टम, कारिकल, चिंसुरा, कासिम बाजार, बेरंगोर। वापस हम यहां आ चुके हैं, कासिम बाजार, देन पटना, ये सब। इसके अलावा नागापट्टनम और कोचीन। तो इस तरह से we have already talked about the Portuguese and the Dutch. In the next video we shall be talking about the English and the French. Thanks for joining.